So here in Shanghai, this is our manufacturing facility. So here we have all the CNC machines to make any type of mechanical parts, cars, machines, tools, whatever. Have a look here. It's a whole series, every single component of this one product at the moment we are making through this. Let me show you inside here. It's happening to manufacture these little components, tools. It's the second area, more machines. One of the products we manufacture at this facility. It's the New Zealand brand Fix and Rail to fix the portable toilets into the fixed stationed toilets. It's been made at this facility.